my name is Krutika Ziman. Hope you all are doing well. Also, we are meeting after 2 long weeks. Not that I was not posting, I was posting, but that were like DIY videos for your Diwali home decor. So if you haven't checked it out, please do check it out. I will link it in the description box. And as a face to face, so we are meeting after 2 weeks, right? So Diwali se yaad aaya, like today's video is about reusing your old lehenga, because we all have at least one lehenga in our wardrobe which is little heavy, little extra, which we don't know how to reuse. We bought it for our like best friend ka wedding, bhai ka wedding, so it's little over the top, so we don't know how to reuse it. But here I am going to share some tips. You can wear your lehenga in 3 different ways this Diwali. Not that you have to repeat your lehenga choli Diwali ke tino din, but it's like you can choose any one outfit and recreate your lehenga and reuse your lehenga. Do share your photos or tag me it on the Instagram. I would love to see it. Here is my Instagram ID, and without wasting much time, let's get started. Before starting the outfits, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe please, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Do share this video with your friends and family, and let's start. This is the original lehenga. You might think this is not that heavy, but still this gives that shadi vibes. To make it little festival like, I kept it simple by just wearing earrings in pink shade to add color, and tied my hair into a bun and added a brooch to it. For this look, I have paired the choli with palazzo pants with some white jhumkis and wore kadas, and also added a cute little silver sling back. Now this is my personal favorite look, perfect for a Diwali party or card party. You're all set to rock it. For this second look, I am wearing a sharara pant. I know this is not a proper sharara pant, but still this falls under same category. So I have added a dupatta to it for that little traditional yet modern touch. To add more colors, I wore green bangles and green earrings, and I feel this look is perfect for Bhai Dooj. For this final look, I have wore a plain solid color kurti with my lehenga and added a Banarasi dupatta to make it more vibrant, and layered it with kundan neck pieces and earrings, perfect for Lakshmi Puja. If you enjoyed the whole video, let me know in the comment box which outfit was your favorite and which one you are going to recreate. Also, please don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't yet. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe, share, like, and we'll meet you next Friday. Tab tak ke liye take care. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.